if I've been weighted down by many stones. But I should not have reacted so to your words.
I have been thinking, and I think that I may have been exceedingly harsh in my treatment of you, once again.
You are exceedingly harsh in your treatment of everyone, Viconia. Why should he be any different?
Well, for starters, he is far more worthy of my respect than a mooning cripple like yourself. Perhaps you should flap helplessly a bit further away and allow your betters to speak.